For today's software engineering interview, explain how you debug a slow API. I'd start by defining slow. Are we talking about the P99 or the average? Are we talking about 5 seconds or 500 milliseconds? This will help me decide where to optimize. Makes sense. What's next? Next, we'll check the network. Huge payloads or too many network hops could kill performance. If this is the problem, we can consider things like pagination using a CDN or caching in the browser. Okay, let's say that network latency is low. I would turn on query logging and take a good look at our database. If queries are taking too long, it could be an N+1 issue, or we could be doing a full table scan or not using an index. And how might you fix those issues? Some good strategies here are adding indexes where needed or introducing caching to your database if it's under massive load. Alright, but let's say that our database is running quickly. Well, it could be your code running on the back end. Look for slow algorithms, heavy computation, or blocking code that should be asynchronous. Okay, and you're suggesting I should just move things to be asynchronous? Exactly. Offload stuff that doesn't need to happen directly in the core request path. What if calls to external services are what's slowing me down? Okay, in that case, you could call them in parallel if you're calling them one by one, add caching if the responses don't change often, and make sure you have timeouts in case one of them gets stuck hanging for too long. And how would you speed up this debugging in the future? Put together a dashboard that measures how long every single one of these steps take, and if one of them ever exceeds an expected threshold, raise an alarm.